Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I've got some little packages that have just all arrived today and I thought you might like to have a look at them with me. I'll do the first couple first. That sounds daft. I'll do these two first because these aren't actually diamond painting, but I just thought you might like to have a look and see what they are, and then we'll have a look at those last because they are diamond painted. Okay, so I've been a bit silly, and you know when you just spot something as you're browsing through and you just think, oh, I'll just have a look and see what these are. And yeah, I've bought some aliens. Oh, they all come in little packages, little separate ones, and these are glow in the dark. Yeah, and I just saw them and I thought, oh, they look fun. I know my daughter was mad on aliens, and oh no, look, oh no, one of them's lost his head. Oh dear, never mind, a little bit of glue will help that one out. But oh no, he's come apart while he's been in transit. Oh dear, and he's the smallest one as well. He's the baby alien. Oh dear. But it was the glow in the dark bit that really drew me to them. Yes. Now the description actually says on them that they are tree elves. But to be fair, they do look like aliens to me. Oh look, the bag's sticking to me. So we've got this one with his arms crossed behind him. I'll have to try the glow in the dark and let you know how that works. They do all stand up as well, I think. Oh no, maybe not. Maybe they're a little bit top heavy. Just need a bit of glue tack on the feet. This one's got his hands by his sides, and he looks really, really fed up, that one, doesn't he? Maybe that's because his friend's head's come off. So yeah, I suppose you could put them outside in the trees and frighten people to death. This one's got a really long face. It looks more like, I don't know, it's got like a nose, a little bit like a dog. If it had ears on it, it'd look like a dog. And he's sat down. And then we have this one that's sort of like crouched down with his hands in front of him next to his feet. I say we've then got another one that's got, yeah, that's really, really bizarre. The happy one with the happy smiley face is the one that the head's dropped off. So yeah, you need to put them in the light and then they should glow in the dark. But I just thought, I think they cost about £2-ish, and I just thought, oh, the kids will maybe like those, or maybe I'll like those, I'm not quite sure, bit of a big kid. So yeah, just some little aliens, and these are from the global online drop shipping store on AliExpress. I will put the link down below. I have to say they're not diamond painted, but I just thought you'd maybe like to see them. Just something a bit silly. And then these are practical, so we go from the silly to the practical. And yeah, I wish they'd stop sending me these things. Well, it's because I keep buying things that they keep sending me things, I know. But these are little knife and fork sets, and the ones just to carry around. I think with prices of everything going up so much at the moment, that to take packing up is quite a good idea. So they've come nicely boxed. Again, they are from AliExpress, and they're a 3-piece set, 3-in-1 travel portable cutlery set. And this is from Today is Friday store, and strangely enough, today is Friday. I'm not sure what day you'll see this video, but the day I'm filming it is Friday. So they're all packaged up together. I'm not sure whether the dishwasher's safe or not. Let me have a look. Tableware suite, what does it say on here? We've got a few different kite marks on there. I'm not quite sure what they all mean. Go green with us. This packaging is made from recyclable material. Okay, and it's made with a recycle image, so it doesn't say anything about dishwasher. So possibly just hand washing on these. Now then, they do go together quite strangely, so let me just do this. This one has to sort of like slide off the top like that, so that's your fork, and then the knife pushes out from the back that way and comes out that way, and then you've got your spoon. do want a good wash actually, these. They do feel a little bit dusty. But some really good hot water and washing up liquid and these will be fine. But I just thought, as I say, because things are going up, and buying sandwiches while you're out or buying meals while you're out, just to take your own little salad or sandwich or whatever with you, then you've always got a knife and fork. Or we do quite often go and eat fish and chips on the seafront. Go and buy fish and chips, and then you've got your own knife and fork there. And they're just all easily packaged. They're not going to stab into anything or hurt anybody. They're quite a softish plastic, but I mean, for eating something like fish and chips or eating a salad, you know, I think they'll still pick your food up, cut your food, whatever. If you've got a big thick fruit cake, I don't think the knife's going to go through there, but yeah. So they're just a bit of fun. So see if we can get it back together. So the knife goes through there and slots into there. And then the fork just clips onto the front. No, it doesn't. The fork goes... Does the fork go? No, the fork goes on first. Right, let me try that again. Yeah, the fork has to go on first, and then you clip the back onto it. But yeah, I mean, they do stand up as well. You know, even if you're going on holiday or going camping, it's just a nice little compact knife and fork set. And I thought if I get pink and blue, then we know whose is whose. And these were just £1.40 each. So I think for the price, for £1.40, you know, they're pretty good going. Yeah, even if you just use them while you're on holiday. You can't really go wrong for the price. So let's check that this one all comes undone as well. So we take that one off there, we take the knife out the back, and then the fork comes out. So yeah, so we've got a pink and a blue. So let's put the fork back on the front again. Let's put the knife through and just clip it together. Oh, quite clever. Like those. Okay, so say not diamond painting, but yeah. And then the other little packet I got, I didn't know what this was, so I did open it first. And they're just some new pen tips, some metal pen tips, steel pen tips. And I just thought they looked a little bit thinner than some of the ones you can get. Just open the packet. But the reason I got them, you know me and my magpie part that I have, then yeah, they've got bling on them, look. And they're the shaped ones as well. So they're all like the elbow shape, and I thought I would give these a go because I'm still struggling with multi-placing. So you've got your single placer that's got an elbow on it. We've got, now then I'll double check what that one is. And I think that one's possibly a 3-placer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I wonder if that's a 6-placer. Do you know, I've put my little cardboard thing somewhere nice and safe, and I don't know where it is. So yeah, I think we've got a 1, a 3 and a 6-placer there, but I just like the fact that they're all bejewelled. So let's see if they'll fit into a pen. So do these just slot in? Yes, they do. Okay, nice tight fit in there as well. So yeah, I just thought, oh, I like the sparkle. Look at the sparkle in those. We've got some diamonds in them already. Okay, and then I've got just a single placer there. I think that's a cat-eared one with a cat-eared pen, which is one of my favourite pens because I just love the like paint dripping through clear. Just yeah, I like that one. But yeah, look, they're quite good. And they cost me for the 3, it cost me £7.19 altogether with the postage and the taxes, which I didn't think too bad. They're all about £2-ish each, and then as I say, you've got to pay your tax on top of that and your postage. So yeah, there are actually 6 different ones. So you can get like the larger ones and everything, and you can get the straight ones, but I just wanted to try the elbow shaped, the bent sided ones, so that you're doing on an angle, because I do sit at a little table, but it is tilted up, but I tend to work on an angle, so I think they would be the best for me. So yeah, that's another little purchase to have a play with. And then finally, I'm not 100% sure what this one is. I've got a rough idea which one it is, but it could be one of 2 or 3. So let me have a look. Right, and it's in a nice box. Oh, it is. Oh, yes. Okay. The pen tips are from the Mingao store. I will put the links to everything that I've got down below if you do want to see them. But yeah, this is my little special drill project. Yay! You know how much I like the special drills. So let's see what she looks like. Just thought she was so pretty. Ooh. Oh, is it going to come out? Let's get all the bits out first. Let's hit this out. Oh wow, it's a lot bigger than I expected. How many times do I say that? So we have this beautiful blossom tree with all the tulips at the bottom, and we then have a little girl that's going to swing on a swing from it. We've just got our little platform which does actually match this to stand. Whoa, that's quite bendy. That's done really well to come all the way from China without breaking, because that has got quite a wobbly stem to that tree. But yeah, it will just stand up and she will swing. But look at all those. Ooh, there's going to be lots of little teardrops in this one. And it's double-sided as well, so you'll be able to see it from back or front. But it I love swings. I absolutely love going on swings. And this is from, oh, I don't know what shop it's from. It's shop 5193033 store. And it cost me, with postage and taxes, £10.78. So it was a little bit higher priced one. But I just loved it. Just thought it was so pretty. The tree with all the blossom and then the tulips down at the bottom there, and just be able to push the girl on the swing backwards and forwards. Okay, so we have our two little chains. All right, we've got the double base part of it. So you take the plastic covers off these, and yeah, that one's got actually like a sticky cover underneath, and you stick those together so it gives you that firmer base, a little bit bigger base and heavier to stand your tree on. And then your tree will just literally slot into the base and stand up. That is very, very wobbly. It needs to be on quite a steady surface, otherwise it's going to wobble quite a lot when people knock into it or run past it or whatever. So it's one to keep an eye on, I think. And then the little chains, they're just the little ball and fastening chain, where you just put the little end through and pull it to fasten it tight. And then the little girl will just swing. So you'll have your two chains and your little girl swinging backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. She's a little bit like little Miss Muffet, isn't she? She's like sat on a tuffet. Or is it? And it's, I don't know, I suppose. What is that she's sat on? It looks like a table with a tablecloth, to be honest. I guess it's a swing seat with like a cover on it. But yeah, again, double-sided, so it's up to you which way around she goes. Okay. A toolkit is your pen, your wax on your boat, and about 4 or 5 little grip seal bags. So, okay. Let's have a look at these drawers. Okay, how many colours have we got? We go up to, ooh, 13, unlucky for some. So we have a nice yellowy gold. Ooh, lots of different green. Wow, 4 different green colours. So that's going to give a lot of depth and different shading to those flowers and leaves, which is great. You've got your brown, 2 different browns for your shading on your tree. Your standard silver gems. Your aqua blue gems, a little bit dusty in that packet. Okay. We've got like a browny chestnutty colour there, and another pale blue. And then the blossoms, look, they're all going to be in those little pink teardrops. That's going to take a lot of doing, putting those on. Wow, They look a little bit dusty as well. Okay, I'm hoping it's just the outsides of the packets and not the insides. And in the middle of the flowers is all going to be these little half sphere, like gold balls. So yeah, but that's really, really pretty. And this is actually one I'm going to keep myself. It's a present to me. Okay, so just a quick little video just of my haul of different bits and pieces that I've got today. So we've got some gorgeous little girl there swinging in a tree. We've got some pen tips there with like the elbow bend on them. I did get a couple of knives and forks, and then all the funny little aliens. And one that's lost his head. Oh dear. Right, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, a thumbs up is always much appreciated. Any comments or questions, if you leave them in the comments down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to make sure you don't ever miss any videos in the future, if you press subscribe and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when any of my videos come up. It doesn't cost anything. You're not subscribing to anything other than just getting notifications when my videos come out. Okay, well, thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.